happens today as two celebrity audista tandems clash on the dance floor in the Audition Celebrity Dance Battle.
That's right, 100,000 pesos ang mapapalunan nyo.
Ano?
Mapapalununan. Mapapalununan.
Ng ating grand winner.
And you too can win cash prizes just by sending your text votes for your favorite celebrity audista tandem.
That's right. Sino-sino ba ang magpapasiklabot sa sayawan this afternoon? Check this out.
Umpisa na ng tunay na labanan sa hatawan dito sa Audition Celebrity Dance Battle.
Ngayong linggo nyo lang kami makikita ni Dom na patambling-tambling at paikot-ikot sa stage. Ang dapat nyong abangan sa dance moves namin. Ang tawag doon ay tattoo. Napakahirap na step nun. Handa na kami sa dance battle. This is gonna be one heck of a battle.
Tutukan ang pinaka-high-tech na yugyugan. Kung napabilib ka kina Vanessa and Dominic, text SOP Dance Phase 1. Kung sina Ryza and Rainier naman ang pinakamagaling para sa'yo, text SOP Dance Phase 2. At isend lang sa 4627. Text lang ng text dahil maaari kang manalo ng cash prize. Let the battle begin!
Dominic by texting SOP Dance Phase 1 or vote by texting spelling SOP Dance Phase 2 and then send to 4627. Malino ba yan? Now, keep on texting dahil pwede kayong manalo ng cash prize. Now, who will win the votes of the judges? Malalaman natin yan sino ang mas astig the Celebrity Odista Tandem para sa inyo. We will find out the results later on the show. Up next, the Songbirds hits on SOPs for the record. Hello, everybody, and welcome back. You just saw our Celebrity Odista Tandem battle it out on the dance floor. Now, let's hear it from the judges. Tita Jeline?
Okay, we loved your performances. Your costume's cute, no? Okay. But we were looking for a pair with most powerful dance moves and of course, yung malakas ang stage presence. This pair we chose to win today had a very good tandem and full of energy. But we have to pick only one pair, right? So we picked pair number 2. But, sorry! One pala, one. Sorry! Vanessa and Dominic. Sorry.
Okay, thank you, judges. Meron pang isa pang factor, syempre, na magbibigay ng results. And that is, of course, your text votes. Based on total scores ng judges and accumulated text votes, malalaman natin kung sino talaga ang winner. I already have the results. It's all in here. The judges have already decided. The voting public has spoken. And the winner for the edition Celebrity Dance Battle is the tandem of Rise and Rainier. Congratulations, guys. At eto ang dapat natin abangan. So, this is Celebrity Dance.
Dalawa pang tandems ng Celebrity Odista ang maghaharap sa susunod na linggo. Tina and Mark versus Yasmin and JC. Don't miss the action. Be there when it happens. Audition Celebrity Dance Battle. Dito lang sa SOP.
Congratulations, guys. And SOP will be right back. Don't go away.